How to improve your English fluency, day number 2. And I believe my tip number 1 is helping you a lot. Now it's time for tip number 2. Speak, speak, and speak. Speaking practice will improve your confidence level. Whenever you want to share your ideas, thoughts, emotions, always express yourself in English, not in your mother tongue. It's just a matter of few months. After that, you will be speaking confidently and fluently. In the beginning, you might feel shy, you might get nervous while expressing yourself in English. Don't worry about your grammatical mistakes. You are allowed to make mistakes. Find a speaking partner with whom you can practice conversation. If you don't have any partner at your home, then join our academy, IDQ Value Adder, where we have thousands and lakhs of students with whom you can practice conversation. So my dear friends, the more you speak, the more confident you will be. The more you speak, the more fluent you will be. So keep on speaking only in English. So this is my tip number 2. See you in the next video with tip number 3. Till then, happy learning.